Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best miter saws for beginners and DIY projects. Watch till the end to know which is our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Makita LS1040 Compound Miter Saw. This 10-inch compound miter saw is designed to meet the needs for any woodworking enthusiast and professional, especially those that are looking for a tool that balances quality and precision. It features an ultra-compact design that makes it easy to store and carry around. The cut on this saw is great, and it can seamlessly tackle large pieces of material. The maximum cut depth is about 3.75 inches, which is pretty decent for most woodworking applications. Additionally, the miter cuts can be set to the right and left at angles between 45 and 90 degrees. Its dust control system gathers dust and debris in an easy-to-remove bag, a feature that ensures better visibility when you're cutting. Bosch GCM1212SD Dual-Bevel Sliding Glide Miter Saw. This is considered one of the most powerful and highest-rated 12-inch sliding dual-bevel compound miter saw designed by Bosch. It offers ultra-smooth cutting action, perfect alignment, and hyper-accuracy. Its 15-amp motor actively delivers no load speeds of 3,800 RPM, making it powerful enough to ensure accurate cuts, no matter the load. Its axial glide system ensures smoothness of operation and saves a lot of space. Besides that, most users appreciate its versatility and the fact that it does a great job without costing a lot of money. Metabo HBT Compound Miter Saw. This high-performing tool produces a no-load speed of 4,000 RPM, and it maintains the cutting speed and torque to match the resistance on the material you're cutting. It weighs only 24.2 pounds to facilitate portability and maneuverability. Its 15-amp motor delivers high power for the toughest of cuts. It has a horizontal handle for a secure hold and a thumb-actuated positive stop for quick miter adjustment. Additionally, it has a large table that offers material support with a vise clamping system to secure your workpiece in place. Craftsman CMCS714M1 Sliding Miter Saw. This 3,800 RPM motor allows for enough power to cut through 2 bi-dimensional baseboards, lumber, hardwoods, and trim them with ease. It has an electric brake to allow the blade to stop fast spinning upon release. You'll find a power button right above the handle. This button is designed to prevent any accidental starts when you install a battery into the unit. Besides that, this saw features a single bevel design that allows for a maximum of 47 bevel for making any compound cuts. Along with this, there are 9 different detent stops built into the system to ensure increased precision when cutting. Its LED cut line ensures increased accuracy and visibility when in use, whereas the sliding mechanism uses 2 rails for the motor to seamlessly slide on, with a safety lock for easier travel and better safety. Ryobi Cordless Sliding Miter Saw. The Ryobi Cordless Miter Saw has a number of modern and unique features that make it a great pick for all your sawing applications. It features an LED indicator to ensure an ultra-accurate process, and it's also a great choice for lefties. Also, it is electrically powered, so you do not have to spend a lot of time installing batteries. Besides that, it is highly portable, which is an absolute advantage if your work requires you to move your saw from one place to another. With a powerful 5,350 RPM, it has the ability to slice through hardwoods, lumber, and baseboards cleanly, accurately, and quickly, and cuts up to an impressive 3.4 inches. The slider head easily handles up to a 10-inch board at a zero-bevel miter. We cannot forget to mention that it comes with a dust bag to minimize dust and debris when you're working. WEN MM1011 Compound Miter Saw. This compound miter saw comes with a 6 3/4 inch baseboard vertical capacity and a 7 to 12 inch crown molding nesting capacity. Its powerful 15-amp motor can cut boards up to a depth of 3.5 inches and a width of 12 inches. Additionally, it can rotate at 45 degrees in the right and left directions. It comes with 2 table extensions, a dust port adapter, and a dust bag. We can't forget to mention that it has a laser guide that directly illuminates the line of cut, hence more accuracy during use. Which is the best one? The Craftsman CMCS714M1 Sliding Miter Saw is the best miter saw for beginners and DIYers. It has multiple safety features to ensure the safety of anyone learning how to use it. Also, it delivers the most precise cuts. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which video you'd like to see next from us.